Here we have some questions from the test paper. So I'd like you to copy the questions and answer them before looking into my solutions or suggestions. Okay, so these questions are related to radians and degree measurement. The very first question is true or false. So I'd like you to make a note, answer your questions. First I'll read out the questions for you and then give you the solutions. You can stop the video meanwhile, write down your answers and then watch the video. Okay, the first one is, the radian is an alternative unit to the degree for angle measurement. True or false? There are 360 radians in a circle. True or false? 1 radian is greater than 1 degree. True or false? 2 revolutions per second is same as 4 pi radians per second. True or false? Angular velocity is linear velocity times radius. Okay? Now write down your answers and then look into my solution. Now here is how I will answer them. The radian is an alternative unit to the degree for angle measurement. That's correct. So it's true. There are 360 radians in a circle. Well, there are 360 degrees in a circle, not radians. So this is false. 1 radian is greater than 1 degree. Is it so? So what we can do is we can convert radian into degree and then check. So how to convert radian into degree? So radian into degree is you multiply by 180 and divide by pi. So if you do multiply 1 by 180 and then divide by pi, what do you get? You get 57.295. So in fact, 1 radian is equals to 57.295. 295 is almost this much, right? So that big a radian is 57 degrees, right? So it is indeed greater and much greater than 1 degree. So that is true. 2 revolutions per second is same as 4 pi radians per second. Is it true or false? Now let's check it out. So what we will do here is we'll just try to see 1 revolution means what? 1 revolution means 1 full circle, right? So if you go 1 full circle, then how many radians do you go? From here to here, it is 2 pi. So 2 pi radians in 1 revolution, and in 2 revolutions 4 pi radians. So that is correct. Angular velocity is linear velocity times radius. Is it true or false? We say V equals to omega r. So that is, velocity is actually product of angular velocity and radius, not the other way, right? So this is false. So I'd like you to go through my video on relationship between angular and linear velocity, okay, and then check it out. Okay, thank you. Let's move on to the next question.